is a little experiment. Do I say that at every single beginning? I think I do. Today I'm doing a heart in honor of Valentine's Day that's coming up. This is an MDF board. I've taped off the back, and I know that when I peel this off, it'll probably peel off most of the backing, which is okay because I'm just going to paint it one color anyways. I'm going to try to do a swipe. I have my background color, which is purple, gold, and black. The gold is 24 karat gold by Deco Art. My swipe color is going to be this beautiful fluorescent pink. It is by Liquitex Basics. I did add a drop or two of this satin, nope, not satin, get it right, metallic pearl by Deco Art. And in this color only is Australian Floetrol, which I had to get from Etsy, and I've had it for a while. And we'll see if it has any effects. It is only available in Australia, and I didn't buy a full jug because, wow, it's expensive. So fingers crossed that this works. Now that was an epic blooper. Apparently the push pins are not in very good. Wow. That sucked. Okay, that's not what I'm going for. Yeah, I made some mistakes. I'm gonna try this again. Okay, I'm not giving up on this. I'm going to figure out how I want to do this. Finally! Oh, that's really cool. Wicked cool. All right, let's see how that dries. The gold took over, as it always does, and mixed in with the pink. It's kind of a peachy pink now. The magenta and the pink formed a really awesome, almost violet color in there. And I'm gonna have to run out and get some more of these because that was a lot of fun, except for flipping it upside down. That wasn't as much fun, but thanks. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. More to come.